Very nice. Myself, Atika Kudle. Welcome to Nagesh Kurasgi Orchid School channel. Children, today we are going to study about awareness skill. Take this awareness skill book. Take the awareness skill book. Open page number 16. Open page number 16. All are ready? I'll wait for 2 seconds. I'll wait for 2 minutes. Take your book. Be comfortable and sit. Open page number 16. All are ready? Shall we start with the lesson? Yes, children? Very good. Now, listen to the teacher what she is trying to explain you. Okay? Let's see. Children, you know computer? Yes, we all have computer at our home, isn't it? Some are having laptops, some are having computer, isn't it? Our lesson name also today is My Computer. You all like to play games on computer, isn't it? Yes, we all like to play games on computer. Only playing on computer is enough for what? For that purpose we use computer? Yes? No, we don't use for playing only. The purpose for playing we don't use. Many more things we can do on the computer also. Okay? Let's see. First, we will introduce with the parts of the computer. First, we are going to see the parts of the computer. Let's see. You know the names of computer, the parts of the computer. Let's see. What is the name of this part? Yes? What is the name of this part? Just have a look. Yes? What is the name of this? Yes, correct. It is a keyboard. What it is? It is a keyboard. Very good. Then what is the name of this part of a computer? Yes, children? Yes? Very good. It is a mouse. Very good. It is a mouse. Now, what is this, children? Can you see? What is this? Yes? You know the name of this part of a computer? Yes, very good, very nice. The name of this part of a computer is correct. CPU. Very good. Very good. It is a CPU. Again, the screen on which we see. What is that? What is the name of that part? Yes, the screen on which we are able to see. The screen like a TV which present. Yes, correct. It is a, yes, monitor. Very good. It is a monitor. Okay. Now children, let's see. Come on. All are ready with the books? All are ready with the books? Page number 16. My Computer. The name of the lesson is My Computer. Now computer is an, yes, it is a machine. What is this? Computer is an machine, isn't it? Which machine? Electric machine. It runs on a electricity, isn't it? It is a electric machine. It runs on electricity. Very good. Come, let's see. A. All have to keep the finger and repeat after the teacher. Repeat after the teacher, okay? My computer. The name of the lesson is My Computer. A. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. A computer. I-S is A-M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. What is computer? Is a machine, isn't it? It is a machine, no? Yes, very good. Now, IT8, R-U-N-S, runs, R-U-N-S, runs, O-N, on, O-N, on, E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-T-Y, electricity. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-T-Y, electricity. It runs on electricity. See, what is this? This is a computer. It is a type of a machine, isn't it? To on this computer, what you need? Yes, you need electricity. If light has gone, the current is not there, are you able to on this computer? Can you work on this computer if electricity is not there? No, we can't work on a computer. If electricity is there, then only we can on this computer and we can work on this computer, isn't it? So, it runs on electricity, okay? Now, IT8, W-O-R-K-S, works, V-E-R-Y, very, F-A-S-T, fast, and H-E-L-P-S, helps, U-S, us, S-A-V-E, save, T-I-M-E, time, and E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy, E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. It works very fast and helps us save time and energy. For example, if you have given some numbers to add. For example, if your father has given you some numbers to add a big number, with the help of this computer, you can add the number and you will get the answer very fast. In this way, you will finish your work very fast. You will save your time as well as your energy. Okay? Now, we will see the parts of the computer. Okay, once again. Monitor presents the screen. Keyboard, just now I have shown you keyboard. For typing purpose, we need this computer, isn't it? Mouse. For operating on computer, we need this mouse. With the help of this mouse, see, with the help of this mouse only I can show you this arrow. Okay? Like this, the mouse work. Now, these are the speakers. If you want to listen to the songs, you can listen the song through this speaker. If you enter the name of a song, if you enter the name of a cartoon, if you enter a topic which you want to know about it, you can type here on the keyboard, click with this mouse, the screen will present the information about that topic. Okay? If voice is there, audio is there, you can listen this audio through the speakers. Okay? Through the speaker, you can listen that audio. Here you can watch the video, and through this speakers you can listen to the audio. Okay? Now this is CPU. The work whatever you are doing on a computer, when you save it, then who will say, in which part of the computer it saves? It go and saves in CPU. Okay? This CPU will save your data. Whatever you are working on this computer, that part will go and save in CPU. Okay? Now, what is this? This is a printer. For example, if you want form, or if you want the question answers print out, the teacher whatever you are getting on the mobile, your subject question answers, through this scanner you can take the paper copy. You can take the paper copy. Okay? This is a scanner. This is a scanner. Now let's see. This is a pen drive. You know all pen drive. This is a DVD, or else you can call it as CD also. You must have seen your elders use a DVD or CD or a pen drive to store information. You have seen your father, mother, yes, they have got some data in their pen drive or any movie in the CD or any type of data in the CD. What they will do? They will connect the pen drive to the CPU and they will take the data in the CPU, and they can afterwards they can see on the computer. Same process of this DVD and CD also we can do. Here we can insert the CD and we can store the material, the data, whatever we want, we can store it in this CPU. Okay? Now, after that, uses of a computer. Uses of a computer. Now, computers are used everywhere. Children, wherever you go outside your house, everywhere you can see the computer. Isn't it? For example, when you come to school, in our school, one-to-one lab is there. Yes, computer lab is there, no? Many computers are there. So, you will sit on that and you will try to learn how to operate the computer. in your computer period. Okay. Now, if you have gone to a bank, if you have gone with your father or mother to a bank, there also you can see a computer. Okay? Can't you see? Yes, we have seen that in banks also computer has been used, isn't it? When your father gives the passbook to the bank or bank officer, what he does? He put the passbook in the scanner and he does the, yes, what he does? What he do? He enters all the data in your passbook. Okay. Now, in the office where your father works, there also computers are there, isn't it? Yes, in the offices also computer is used. Now, come to railway station or airport. Railway station, airport, where you take the ticket. On the station, you take the ticket from the ticket office. There also you can see the computer, isn't it? Nowadays, we are getting reservation through this computer registration, isn't it? Now, when you go to shop, you go to DMart, no? Yes, we all go to DMart, Big Bazaar, everywhere we used to go. Then, when your mother is getting the bill, yes, she have to pay the bill. What that shopkeeper will do? He will type all the items, what you have taken, and immediately like this paper, receipt will come out. And there you can see the amount what you have to pay, isn't it? What taking bill also in the shops, computer has been used, isn't it? Now, if you go to a hospital, there also on the reception, when you say I want to meet to the doctor, what the reception says, receptionist? Yes, wait, I will enter your name and after some time I will send you to the doctor. When the doctor checks you and when he wants to give medicines to you, what he will do? He will type the names of medicines in this computer and he will give you the printout, isn't it? And one more again thing, for example, if your body has to be checked, what they will do? They will put all these wires and they can connect with this computer and they can see what problem is there. Okay? Now, children, page number 17. Page number 17. Practice. Color the computer monitor. Color the computer monitor. Color the printer. Okay? This one is for your homework. Okay? All this coloring part you are going to do for your homework. Okay, children? Okay. Did you all wrote? HW? Very good. This one is for your homework. Yes? Today we have studied about my computer. Okay? In next section we will meet. Till then, bye. Take care.